Here is an exam question. Just wanted to show you how you build up, after all the explanation that I've done of how the X-ray image is built, all that you need to do to produce that 5-mark answer. So here we go. It says outline briefly the principles of CAT scanning. So you can just say it is a number of X-ray images to build up a slice by taking from several different angles combined readings from the angles build up an image of a slice many slices are taken and combined to build a 3-dimensional image on a computer. That's 5 marks. So let's just take a look. So it says a number of X-ray images would be 1. Different angles would be 2. To build up an image is 3. Many slices, 4. To build a 3-dimensional image is 5. So I reckon I've done it and marked it in under 5 minutes. If you know what to say, it really is a real time saver to have a question like that, and you should feel the same way about any of the medical imaging ones. You should have built it up with your prior ideas. Right, let's move on to the second part of that question, which is why I'm really doing it, which is to look at these Vauxhall questions. Okay, so we went through a whole process to show how to get a value from this here. So this is not one of the ones that you have, but there will be some similarities. So I'm just going to read through. It says, in a model for CT scanning, a section is divided into 4 voxels. The pixel numbers P, Q, R and S of the voxels are shown in figure 12.1, and there it is. Let's move it up. The section is viewed from the 4 directions D1, D2, D3 and D4. The detector readings for each direction are noted. The detector readings are summed as shown, so this is the final memory array. And then here's the thing that they all say, so you don't have to work it out. It says the background reading is 34, so you're looking for them to all say what the background reading is, and you don't have to work it out, they just tell you. So determine the pixel numbers P, Q, R and S as shown in figure 12.3. So all I'm going to do is to begin by taking this background off of each one, even though mental arithmetic wise I should be able to do it. I'm nervous, I'm in an exam, so I'm going to just do it one at a time. So 49 minus 34, this is to find Q, equals 15. So there we go, that's 15. So I'm going to write it next to it for now. Then I'm going to do Q, and that's 61 minus 34, and that is 27. And by the way, I'm looking for these to be things that are divisible by 3, otherwise I've probably done something wrong. And then let's do S, 73 minus 34 is 39. So that's as edgy as it gets. My goodness, it's outside it's 13 times 3 instead of 12 times 3. Not a big deal. And then R is 55 minus 34 equals 21. So that's my values, and that's what we said before. Once I have those, I just divide each one by 3. So that would make P That will make P5. That will make Q9, S13, and R7. Done. 4 marks. Very, very easy. And they will just be versions of that. So if I look back, then the first key thing I'm looking for is the background reading. Of course I'm going to read the question, but I'm looking for that background reading. I'm hoping this comes up. I think it's four easy marks once you know. So there is that. The only other CAT scanning questions you might have is a comparison between CT scanning and X-rays. You can look up that one yourself. I think you've got it in the packs, but the general idea is that you're going to be talking about the X-ray image just being a shadow image in 2 dimensions and it's flat, whereas the CAT scan is a series of X-rays in slices combined to find a 3D image. And that is that.